Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question for you. A question pertaining to the verbal ability of section, or the question, the topic that we'll be focusing on is of para-jumbles. Okay, so these kinds of questions are quite prevalent in your examination, be it your GRE, GMAT or any other master's entrance examination. So these are very prevalent kind of a question which are being asked for a very long time. Okay, and they carry a significant portion of the verbal ability section as well. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be taking a particular question from the VRC section, and subsequently we'll try to solve the same, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line, we are easily able to understand and solve them. Okay, so let's take a look at the question in front of us. It's a four sentence verbal, basically para jumble. So let's take a look and try and solve the same. Let's start off with statement A. Privatization of religion and tradition and its expulsion from secular spaces of state, democratic politics and civil society is the cornerstone of definition of modernity. Okay, so statement A talks about exclusion of religion or from state, democratic politics, society, and it's basically definition of modernity. Okay, so basically, statement A is trying to define a particular objective. Define an objective. Okay, but what is that objective? So basically, it talks about religion. Let's take a religion not being part of the modern politics and civil society. Okay, so let's take a look. It is, let's go with statement B. It is this understanding of the religion and the secular, the modern and the non-modern, that has underwritten the dominant understanding of Hindu caste system as decidedly not modern within the anthropology of South Asia. It is this, but what is this it? Okay, so B cannot be our starting statement. B is basically further explanation of something. Okay, B is basically more or less like an further extension of a topic. So we don't know what this is, so we'll further try and study the same. Early anthropological study of caste in India have usually studied it as a form of tradition or religion. Okay, notice one thing. Early anthropology study of caste in India have usually studied as a form of tradition and religion in C. Okay, and this tradition and religion are referred to in option A, the privatization of tradition and religion. Okay, that means either C and A or A and C. This has to be a pair. Okay, this has to be a pair. So let us eliminate options on which we don't have a pair, because they are dealing with the similar topic. So either A will come first or C will come first. So this goes and this goes. So only we have option 1 and 2. Let's go with D. Given the deconstruction, okay, deconstruction of anthropological theories, okay, anthropological theories and theories of caste through historical of its formation within colonial modernity. How are we to anthropologically comprehend caste in contemporary post-colonial India? Okay, D is basically raising a question, okay, about future approach. Okay, how should we convey the caste system in post-colonial India? So this could very well be our conclusion. Okay, so D will come in here again. D, its understanding what traditional caste and religions understanding, it will come in here. Now A or C, or C or A, so which one should we use? Let's take a look at this one. BD, we know BD will form a pair because both of these are BD only. So let's take a look. Early anthropological study of caste. Okay, caste and everything has been introduced in statement C, okay, and that has been built upon in statement A. Further points are given. See, early anthropology, chronology wise, early this should come in first, and this is just talking about the privatization of the caste. So introduction has been done in point number C. So CA will be the correct option and not AC. So therefore option will be C, A, B and D. Okay, C, A, B, D. So I hope this explanation is clear how we came about with the approach of the solution of the same. I've taken a liberty of taking a bit too much time, but in actuality, it shouldn't really take that much time because I had to explain this so much. So it was quite time consuming for me. Now, if you have any query, just go through the same. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards as well. Okay, this should come in pretty easy to you if you understand the approach through which we went about solving the same. Okay. Now, having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, be it your QA, VRC or the logical reasoning section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay. Now, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. Having said that, I'll be signing out. So, thank you so much.